Ciao ragazzi, adesso facciamo gli esercizi di listening a pagina 123, numero 3 e 4. Ascoltiamo l'intervista su come si organizza una giornata di geocaching. Dobbiamo rispondere quando avrà luogo e a che ora inizierà e successivamente rispondere alle domande dell'esercizio 4.
Unit 6, page 123. Exercises 3 and 4.
So, Danielle, you're organising a geocaching event here in town next Sunday.
Yes, Chris, that's right. We want teenagers to go geocaching. We don't often put anything inside the cache, but for this event, we're putting special treasure inside the caches.
Really? What kind of treasure is that?
Well, things that teenagers like. Headphones, earrings, scarves, wristbands. The first team to find the cache in this event can also keep the treasure.
That's a great idea. And where does the event begin?
It begins in the town square.
Right. And what time does it start?
It starts at 2 o'clock.
And when does it finish?
At around 5 o'clock, probably.
Can you tell me where you're hiding the first cache?
No, I can't, sorry. But the hiding places for all 5 caches are near the square.
What happens when a team finds a cache?
Well, there's a notebook and pen inside the cache. The first team to find the cache writes their names in the notebook. They can also keep the treasure inside.
What about the other teams?
The other teams write their names in the book, then take photographs of the cache.
Why is that?
The organisers check the photos when they finish.
And where does the event finish?
It finishes at the park. Then we're having a party in the park. We're cooking hot dogs and burgers for everyone, and there's a prize for the first team to complete the event.
Sounds really fun.